Hi, this is Taun with Utah State University Extension and the KSL Greenhouse show. And I want to introduce another easy-to-grow houseplant. This right here is called Schefflera, and they're very commonly available from local garden centers and box stores. Scheffleras are one that really likes medium to bright light. And so again, especially during the summer, you don't want to put them in a south window in the direct sun, but off to the side of that south window, they would be perfectly happy. But these do well in office situations if they have a lot of fluorescent light, or in rooms that have windows in them, as long as that room is fairly well lit. Now, there are two species of Schefflera. This is the more common one. It's sometimes called Hawaiian Schefflera. And in a pot over a number of years, say 5 to 10 years, both of them will reach about 8 feet tall if you grow them in your home or office, but they can get a little bigger with age. Now, these are easy to keep under control because every spring you can go in and just find the branches, and instead of just giving these a haircut, go in toward the middle of the plant or toward the base and take out about 10 or 15% of the branches and leave the other ones intact, and this will keep the size down. Scheffleras like average amounts of water and good potting soil, and so you don't need to use cactus mix with them because they do like some water in the soil, but they also don't like to be waterlogged. And so one thing you don't want to do is have them standing in water. So if you have a tray or a dish underneath, you need to get rid of the excess water. Better yet, you would water these in the sink and let them drain out for a half hour and then just put them back on their dish if any more leaks out. They are very resistant to most pests and diseases. They sometimes will get mealybug and spider mites and maybe aphids, but those are usually brought into the home on contaminated plants. And as long as you're careful about what plants you bring into your home, then you won't get those in this. The other thing that kills them is excessive water, as I mentioned earlier, and so just don't keep them in standing water. Scheffleras are fairly easily identified. They have what's called a palmate leaf with 7 leaflets. And when you see that, and there can be some different styles of these, some of them are variegated with a creamy yellow and green, it's most likely going to be Schefflera. I am Taun with the KSL Greenhouse show and Utah State University Extension, and thank you for watching.